Have you ever wondered how you can make money on YouTube without making videos? Well, today we're going to lift the curtain on a little secret: YouTube automation. It's a revolutionary approach that allows you to earn passive income through the world's second-largest search engine, without the need to be consistently creating your own content. This video tutorial is designed for those who want to explore this fantastic opportunity. We'll be covering the basics of what YouTube automation is, how you can get started, and some top tips for success. So, whether you're a seasoned YouTuber looking to diversify your income, or a beginner keen to make a mark in the digital realm, this guide is for you. We'll break everything down into simple, manageable steps, taking you on a journey from understanding the concept to implementing your first automated YouTube channel. So, if you're ready to dive into the world of YouTube automation, then stick around. So, what exactly is YouTube automation? Now that's a question that's been buzzing around the digital sphere quite a bit lately. It's a concept that's been gaining traction in the world of online entrepreneurship, and rightly so. YouTube automation, in its simplest form, is the process of creating a YouTube channel and then outsourcing the content creation. It's about putting the power of automation to work so that you can focus on bigger picture tasks while your channel continues to churn out content and rake in views. Let's break that down a bit. First, you create a YouTube channel. This is your platform, your stage if you will. It's where your content will live, and it's the home base for your audience. Next, instead of spending hours hunched over a computer editing videos or days out in the field shooting footage, you outsource this task. There are plenty of talented content creators out there who are experts in their field. They can create high-quality, engaging videos that align with your channel's theme and audience. Once the content is created, it's uploaded to your channel. This can also be automated, with videos scheduled to go live at specific times. This ensures a consistent content flow, which is key to growing and maintaining an audience on YouTube. But here's where it gets really interesting. Once your content is live and attracting views, you start to earn money. This can come in the form of ad revenue, as advertisers pay to have their ads shown on popular videos. You can also earn money through sponsorships, with brands paying you to feature their products or services in your videos. So, you see, YouTube automation is not just about outsourcing content creation, it's about creating a system, a machine if you will, that operates seamlessly, generating content and income while you focus on other tasks, or even while you sleep. In essence, YouTube automation is about leveraging the power of outsourcing and automation to earn passive income. It's about working smart, not hard, and letting the power of the internet do the heavy lifting for you. Now that we understand what YouTube automation is, let's talk about how you can get started. The first step to start YouTube automation is identifying a profitable niche. This is a critical first move because the niche you choose will significantly impact your channel's success. It's essential to pick a topic that you're passionate about, but it also needs to be a subject that has a large enough audience and can generate revenue. Picture your ideal viewer. What are they interested in? What problems are they looking to solve? This will help you narrow down your options and choose a niche that's both engaging and profitable. Once you've determined your niche, the next step is to create your YouTube channel. This may seem like a daunting task, but it's quite straightforward. You'll need a Google account to get started. From there, you can go to YouTube and click on the Create a Channel button. You'll be prompted to provide some basic information, like your channel name. Make sure you choose a name that aligns with your chosen niche and is easy for viewers to remember. Now that your channel is set up, it's time to hire content creators. You might be wondering, why should I hire someone when I can just do it myself? Well, the beauty of YouTube automation is that it allows you to earn money from your channel without having to create the content yourself. You can find talented content creators on various freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. When hiring, look for creators who understand your niche and can consistently produce high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Once your content is ready, the fourth step is to optimize your videos for SEO. This is a crucial step because it ensures that your content gets discovered by the right people. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Make sure your videos have compelling thumbnails and clear, concise titles. The more optimized your videos are, the more likely they are to appear in search results and attract viewers. Finally, once you've got your channel up and running with high-quality SEO-optimized content, it's time to monetize. There are several ways you can make money from your YouTube automation channel. You can join the YouTube Partner Program and earn money from ads, channel memberships, or merchandise shelf. You can also make money through affiliate marketing by promoting products or services related to your niche in your videos. And there you have it, the basic steps to starting a YouTube automation channel. Now, as simple as these steps might sound, there are a few things you should keep in mind to ensure your success. First off, consistency is key. In the world of YouTube automation, a steady stream of content is vital to keep your channel alive and kicking. Uploading new videos on a regular schedule not only keeps your current subscribers engaged, but also increases your visibility to potential new viewers. So whether you decide on a weekly, bi-weekly, or daily schedule, stick to it. Next, remember to engage with your audience. Even if you're not the one in front of the camera, you should still take the time to respond to comments, ask for feedback, and even host occasional giveaways or contests. This builds a sense of community around your channel and makes viewers more likely to stick around and watch more of your content. Another important tip: always keep learning. YouTube's algorithm changes regularly, and what works today might not work tomorrow. Make it a habit to stay on top of these changes and adapt your strategy accordingly. Read blogs, join forums, participate in webinars, and never stop educating yourself about the latest trends and techniques in YouTube automation. Don't forget about the power of collaboration. Reach out to other YouTubers in your niche for potential collaborations. This not only brings fresh content to your channel but also exposes you to a larger audience. And lastly, remember to keep a keen eye on your analytics. This is where you'll find the cold, hard data about what's working and what's not. The number of views, likes, shares, and comments can tell you a lot about your audience's preferences and behaviors. Use this information to fine-tune your content strategy and make your channel even more successful. Remember, success in YouTube automation, like anything else, requires patience and persistence. YouTube may seem like a fast-paced platform, but sustainable growth takes time. So stay the course, keep refining your strategy, and the results will come. So, are you ready to start your journey in YouTube automation? We've covered a lot of ground in this video, and I hope you found it enlightening. To recap, YouTube automation is a powerful tool that enables you to generate content and earn money without having to be in front of the camera yourself. It's all about leveraging the power of YouTube's platform and the creativity of others to create a steady stream of content that appeals to viewers and advertisers alike. We've gone through the steps to start your own YouTube automation journey. We've talked about finding a niche that you're passionate about, and one that has a sizable and interested audience. We've discussed hiring a team to create content, optimize your channel, and manage the day-to-day tasks. And we've highlighted the importance of building a solid brand with a consistent look and feel across all your videos. But remember, as with any venture, success doesn't come overnight. It's essential that you're patient, persistent, and willing to learn along the way. Don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Keep refining your strategy, improving your content, and nurturing your audience, and the results will come. The potential of YouTube automation as a source of passive income is immense. There are countless examples of channels that have grown to generate significant revenue, all while the owners are free to pursue other interests or ventures. It's a business model that, when done right, can provide financial freedom and flexibility. But as we've emphasized throughout this video, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires hard work, dedication, and a strategic approach. It demands a commitment to creating quality content that resonates with your audience, and a willingness to adapt and evolve as the YouTube landscape changes. With the right mindset and approach, YouTube automation can be an exciting and profitable venture. So, what are you waiting for? Start your YouTube automation journey today.